Hello guys, you are welcome to Pravas Foundation classes. So guys, let's get started this session. Talk to yourself. Sometimes we think particularly about me, then English language is very difficult. But I would like to suggest you today especially, according to me, English language is very easy. So everyone can learn this language without any hindrance, without any interruption. So, but here is some conditions to learn English. So, I am going to tell you some special tips for you so that you will begin to feel this language very easy. First of all, you will have to learn some basic concepts about this English language. Now you will say here which basic concepts is in English language which can be completed and I could learn this language. So here is some basic concepts for you. First of all, you will have to learn parts of speech. For example, noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, but not in deeply, only basic concepts. You have to learn basic concepts only, not you have to learn deeply grammar. After completing some basic concept of parts of speech, then after completing this, you have to learn time and tense. And again, third point is here, you have to learn voice. And fourth point is here, model, basic model. And sixth point is here, advanced model, and some special rules. So as far as I am concerned to learn English, these all 7 topics if you complete, then I hope you will start talking English, understanding English, and lots more in English language to understand very easily. If you feel any difficulties to learn these all things, then you will see my previous uploaded videos to clear this concept. And 8 points is here. You have to practice every day, not alternate day. You have to practice every day, continue for 6 months. Then you will be able to learn this language very easily. So I hope you will understand this concept very clearly. And last topics, I means ninth topics is word meaning, I means vocab. You have to memorize, remember maximum 5,000 and minimum 3,000 vocab you have to remember to understand very easily this language. So today is enough, and I will see you next session with another topics. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe, like and share.